Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to active your Apple ID in iPhone 5 to 16. So guys, if you are using any iPhone from 5 to 16 and now you want to active your Apple ID, your Apple ID has been deactivated or not verified. In this video I will show you how can you verify or how can you active your Apple ID by doing these settings. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to go back, open your settings, open your Apple ID here, and from here you need to click on sign in and security. And guys, here you will see firstly you have to verify your email address. Put your email address here. As you will see, you can verify your email address and phone number as well. Here you need to enter your phone number and put here your phone number. And guys, you will receive an OTP on your phone number, and as well you need to add here email and you can receive OTP on your email. So guys, simply you have to put that OTP here and you need to verify your phone number and email. After this, your Apple ID will be active. So guys, if still not activate your Apple ID, no need to worry. You have to go back and open your Apple Sport app. Scroll it below. From here, click on more products, scroll it down, and here you can see the option of Apple account. So guys, you will see multiple options here, and if your Apple ID has been locked, then you need to select this one, and if your Apple ID has been disabled, then you select this one. And guys, after this you can see the error that Apple ID is not active. If you will see this type of error, select this one and click on get started. And guys, like this you will fix your problem. Here you need to enter your email address and phone number and type here captcha and click on continue, and they will support team will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.